Looking to upgrade your kitchen with a versatile appliance that's perfect for family meals? This Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet is an exceptional choice, combining ease of use, durability, and a range of cooking capabilities. Whether you're preparing breakfast for a crowd or searing meat to perfection, this extra deep skillet has you covered. Read on to discover how this 16 by 13.2 and 10.5 quart skillet can be a game changer in your kitchen. Why choose the Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet? 1. Spacious cooking surface for large meals. One of the most attractive features of the Elite Gourmet Skillet is its spacious cooking surface. Measuring 16 inches by 13 inches, with a depth of over 3 inches, this electric skillet is perfect for preparing one-pan dishes, frying chicken for the whole family, or making a large batch of scrambled eggs. Its extra deep design allows you to cook more at once, saving time and reducing the need for multiple cooking sessions. 2. Superior non-stick coating. This skillet is crafted with a marbleized honeycomb non-stick coating, which is durable, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. Unlike traditional non-stick surfaces, this coating is designed to withstand higher heat levels without peeling or cracking, ensuring your meals release effortlessly and cleanup remains hassle-free. The non-stick surface means you can cook with less oil, making it a healthier option for your family. 3. Adjustable temperature control for precision cooking. With the adjustable temperature control dial, you can easily set the skillet to cook at any temperature between 200 degrees Fahrenheit and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide temperature range allows you to sear, fry, or simmer your dishes precisely, helping to prevent hot spots and scorched food. The trigger release control probe lets you effortlessly control the heat, making the cooking process smoother and more efficient. Number 4. Cool touch handles and safe design. Safety is a priority in any kitchen, and the Elite Gourmet Skillet doesn't disappoint. The cool touch handles and knobs ensure you can safely lift or move the skillet without risking burns. Additionally, the high splatter-proof walls help keep your counters clean while protecting you from grease splashes. 5. Easy cleanup with dishwasher-safe design. After cooking, the skillet's removable thermostat allows it to be fully immersible for easy cleaning. This means you can place the skillet in the dishwasher or rinse it underwater without fuss. The cast aluminum body is also resistant to rust and warping, ensuring it will last through countless uses and washes. Unique features that make cooking enjoyable. Integrated pour spout. The Elite Gourmet Skillet includes an integrated easy pour spout that allows you to drain excess juices or oils without making a mess. This feature is especially useful when making dishes that require you to remove fat or liquid, like frying meats or making stews. Tempered glass lid. With a clear, tempered glass lid, you can monitor your food without lifting the lid and losing valuable heat and moisture. This lid is also vented, allowing steam to escape for better moisture control. Perfect for all types of cooktops. This skillet works beautifully on any surface, making it adaptable to all types of kitchens. Whether you're using it on a countertop or in an outdoor cooking area, the Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet provides reliable heat and even cooking performance. This appliance gives you the flexibility to make meals anywhere with access to electricity, whether you're in a dorm, RV, or compact apartment kitchen. Is the Elite Gourmet right for you? This skillet is perfect if you're looking for an appliance that saves time and effort. With its large capacity, it's ideal for preparing meals for 6 to 8 people without needing multiple pans or cooking sessions. Offers consistent cooking performance. The M-shaped heating element ensures even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots that can lead to uneven cooking. Simplifies meal prep and cleanup. The non-stick surface, cool touch features, and dishwasher-safe design make it a user-friendly choice. What other buyers say? Many users have praised the Elite Gourmet Skillet for its convenient design and easy-to-clean surface. Customers particularly love its large cooking capacity, making it ideal for big family meals and gatherings. Reviews highlight the skillet's ability to heat up quickly and maintain consistent temperatures, as well as its versatility in cooking everything from pancakes to stir-fries. This skillet has become a go-to kitchen tool for anyone who values efficiency, quality, and simplicity in cooking. Its range of features and robust design make it an excellent addition to any home, saving you time and energy while delivering delicious results every time. Conclusion: the Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet is a versatile, user-friendly, and durable addition to any kitchen. With its spacious design, scratch-resistant non-stick surface, and precise temperature control, it offers an easy way to prepare family-sized meals with minimal hassle. Its dishwasher-safe, fully immersible build makes cleanup effortless, and features like the cool touch handles and integrated pour spout ensure safe and convenient cooking. Whether you're a busy parent, a cooking enthusiast, or someone looking to simplify meal prep, this electric skillet is built to deliver reliability and convenience. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game with a dependable, high-performance skillet, the Elite Gourmet is well worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.